and welcome back to our series on how to work with summer fruits or generally fruits in season. This afternoon I have two varieties of apples. I have the green apple. This species is called Golden Delicious, and I have the red one, and the species is also called Royal Gala. There are two ways of eating an apple. You can cut it with a knife or eat on the go. But to make it easier for me, I'm just going to use this simple gadget. Place it on a washed apple, push it down, and then you have your apple all sliced up. So you can remove this core center and plate your apple for serving. Enjoy. Thank you for watching our series on how to walk or serve a range of fruits. See you next time. Bye-bye.